Alright, color engraving fans, especially jewelry business owners, get ready to have your minds blown again. We've done this before, but this time I'm turning up the color dial to 11 because I'm ditching traditional color engraving and unveiling a new technique that is even cooler. Not only you can choose any color under the sun, but it's here to stay forever on your metal. No fading, no chipping, just pure vibrant color. Let's dive in. So according to our test, if you want to deep engrave this as a pattern, you have to laser engrave at least 150 times. What you can do is set the pass to 10, which is the maximum on your software, and then click the button on your controller to repeat the process every time you finish, at least 15 times, until you get the result you want. So after deep engraving, we want to remove the rust by resetting the parameters. Okay, right now I'm going to use the nail drill to polish this cute rabbit. Okay, next I'm going to start the whole process of manicure, kind of. Also my first time to do something like this. With this new color engraving technique, you can create pieces that can stand out from the crowd. Let's discuss how you can leverage this technique and to boost your sales and profit. See you in the comments.